it's your girl Donnell. Today I'm going to show you how I made this amazing orange Dreamsicle Smoothie. Stay watching, I'll see you in a bit.
I've been pushing work all summer.
Guys, so if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap that bell so you don't miss out on more videos like this one. For my milk of choice, 1 cup of almond milk, half a cup of Greek yogurt, and may I tell you guys, my almond milk is always sweetened. Like, I always go with the sweetened almond milk. A frozen banana, and some orange, 1 orange I'm including in this smoothie, and just a drop of some vanilla. Smells amazing already, guys. It's time to mix this bad boy up, and in order to blend these this orange, you definitely are gonna need a high-powered blender. I'm using my Vitamix. Wow. Just the right amount of sweetness. Like I said, guys, I used the sweetened almond milk in this. And in addition to that, all I used was 1 orange and the banana, and I did not add any additional sweetener to this smoothie. And this is so delicious, guys. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, leave comments below, and share this video with a friend or two. Remember, y'all, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Mwah, 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 mwah. Smooches until next time. Ciao. This is good.